Hey, welcome back to Always Secured Automation. Today, I'm breaking down one of the most essential skills for any instrumentation engineer: how to perfectly adjust the span on a pressure transmitter. If you're in a power plant, refinery, or just love precise measurements, this one's for you. Let's kick off with the basics. In any pressure transmitter, you've got two key values: the lower range value, or LRV, which gives you 4 milliamps, and the upper range value, or URV, which gives you 20 milliamps. The span is just the difference between those 2 points. So, if you're calibrating a transmitter from 0 to 100 bars, that span is, you guessed it, 100 bars. Now, before you even think about starting, make sure you've got the right tools. You want a solid pressure calibrator or deadweight tester, a reliable multimeter or loop calibrator, a HART communicator or handheld calibrator, all the proper tubing and fittings, and of course, the manufacturer's datasheet. Trust me, being prepared saves headaches later. Alright, let's walk through the process. Step 1. Isolate and connect. Isolate your transmitter from the process, vent any pressure, then connect your pressure source to the high pressure port. Power it up with the loop calibrator. Step 2. Apply the LRV pressure, say 0 bars. Check the output. Not seeing 4 milliamps. Use the zero adjustment command or button. Step 3. Apply the URV pressure like 100 bars. The output should be 20 milliamps. If not, don't panic. Step 4. Adjust the span. Grab your HART communicator, jump to the calibration menu, and select Span Adjust. Follow the prompts. Easy. Step 5. Verify everything with a 5-point check. Apply 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% pressures, and make sure your output matches up at each point. Remember, always let the pressure stabilize before you take readings. Never adjust span before zeroing. Get that right first. Always follow the manufacturer's steps for smart transmitters and document all your before and after values. And that's it. Perfect span adjustment in a pressure transmitter, done right. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more real-world tips. Got calibration questions? Drop them in the comments. I just might cover yours next time. Stay sharp, and remember, instrumentation made simple.